afternoon, children. In the last class, we were seeing about the Lensmaker's formula. We saw the problems regarding it. Hope you would have solved the numericals which I had sent you as homework. Now, the Lensmaker's formula is the same for both the convex as well as the concave lens. Next, we are going to see about the lens formula for both convex and concave lens. Before seeing into the lens formula, this is a convex lens, and you know what is the principal focus that we saw in the last class. Now I want to say that any lens, whether it is a convex or a concave lens, there are two principal focus and hence two focal length. Suppose if the object is placed, this is the optic center, if the object is placed on the principal axis, after refraction, they go parallel. So this point is called as the principal focus F1. So, and this distance F1 will be the first focal length, that is F1. Similarly, if the object is at infinity, the image is formed at the focus. If the object is at infinity, the image is formed at the focus. The rays of light after refraction converges to a point on the principal axis. This is the principal focus. This is the second principal focus, and this distance is the second focal length. So when you consider a convex lens or a concave lens, there are two principal focus and hence two principal focal length. And F1 will be equal to F2 also if the material is a single material. The same applies for concave lens also. There are two principal focus and focal length for a concave lens also. Now let us see the lens formula. This is the lens formula for a convex lens. As we all know, the focal length of a convex lens is always positive. When we place the object within the focus, we get a virtual image, and when we place it beyond the focus, we get a real image. So let us see how we are getting a real image. This is the convex lens, and whenever we want to get the image of the object, we need a minimum of two rays. Now I'll show you how to get the image of the object by using three rays. Suppose if this is the object, a ray of light parallel to the principal focus after reflection passes through the focus. A ray of light passing through the optic center goes without any deviation. Another ray of light, this principal focus must be equidistant on both sides. Another ray of light passing through the principal focus after refraction travels straight, that is parallel to the principal axis. These three rays meet at the point A dash, therefore A dash B dash will be the image, inverted image of AB. Out of these three rays, it's enough if we consider any two rays. So let me draw the figure once again. So this is a convex lens. This is the optic center C. I am placing the object beyond the focus somewhere over here. The focus is somewhere over here. So I place the object over here. Out of the three rays we saw just now, I am just considering two rays. A ray of light parallel to the principal axis after refraction passes through the focus. After refraction, passes through the focus. Another ray of light passing through the optic center goes without any deviation. The two rays meet, refracted rays meet at the point A dash. So A dash B dash is the real inverted image of AB. In this it is somewhat enlarged. Now, as we did for the mirror formula, let us consider the two triangles ABC, A dash B dash C are similar. Similar triangles means their sides are in proportions. So, triangles ABC and A dash B dash C are similar. So, A dash B dash corresponding side is AB equal to CB dash by CB. Let us take this as the first equation. Now the second triangle is CDF. Triangles CDF and A dash B dash F. A dash B dash F are similar. So if we take the sides AB, CDF. CD is equal to AB. Okay, now from these two triangles, A dash B dash by CD, A dash B dash by CD equal to FB dash by CF. But since CD equal to AB, I write this as AB. A dash B dash by AB equal to FB dash by CF. Let me take this as equation 2. From these two equations, you can see that CB dash by CB equal to FB dash by CF. Now, let us apply the sign conventions. When you apply the sign conventions, CB is the object distance, which is equal to minus U. CB dash is the image distance, which is equal to V. And CF is the focal length, which is equal to F. So, I'll just draw the figure here once again it's not enough space over here, that's why it passes through the focus. So, CB is the object distance, which is negative. All distances are measured from the optic center. Minus U, CB dash is V, and CF is the focal length. For a convex lens, it is F. It is positive. Now, let us express. We know what is CF, but we don't know what is FB dash. Now, let us write FB dash in terms of the known quantities. So, we can write FB dash as CB dash minus CF. FB dash is equal to CB dash minus CF, which is equal to, now let us substitute this in this formula. CB dash by CB equal to CB dash minus CF by CF. CB dash, as we know, is V, or V by CB is minus U equal to CB dash is V minus F by CF is F. Now let us cross multiply. We get VF is equal to minus UV plus UF. Now let us divide on both sides by UVF. and we get 1 by u equal to